Memory of resettlement is that the artist spent 2 years making the model. The resettlement state was built on slab. There were barbers, stores, hawkers, cleaning workers collecting garbage on the streets, and housewives cooking in the corridor upstairs. Snack Street. There are 13 food stalls selling. Ayan. Stall sellings are egg waffle, pan fried, stuffed, three treasures, curry fish balls, fish and lettuce soup, sharks and fin soup, roasted chestnuts and baked yams. The food stall lineup restores the scenes of former right bazaar in showing ones reputed as the civilian right club. Low-key shoes. Low-key shoes, the miniature made reference to the award-winning move Echoes of the Rainbow. Recreated the heartwarming sense of the Low family, the street lights shining the family in front of Low shoes while having dinner. The ground floor and the first floor are where the family work and live respectively. Chinese tea house. Chinese tea culture boasts a long history. The tea testing is regarded as an artistic activity for cultivating the mind. The artists use resin plates, plastic board, wood, and beads to make a Chinese-style tea house. Peach blossoms, tangerine, and Faichon add a Chinese New Year touch to the place. Comic stall. In the 1950s and 1960s, when life was hard, children had little entertainment but read comics books at the street comic stall. They were usually very bare, with some wooden bookshelves and small stores or books laid out on matting or hung from the wall by a string. Some owners would tear off some books covers and paste them on the wall as a bibliography. Children still enjoy it even under such poor conditions. Dried seafood shop. Before the Chinese New Year, seafood street in Taiwan is is bustling with people. They come to buy abalone, shark fins, Chinese herbs, and dried salt fish to prepare for the Chinese New Feast, a unique Hong Kong tradition. Kimchi pastry. Kimchi pastry modeled on an old bakery in Shamshopo, which sells traditional Chinese pastries such as red bean pastry, chick, biscuits, sesame cakes, butterfly crepes, and Chinese shortbread. From the dough left on the table, you can feel the warmth, hard work, and artisanal skills of the baker. A daily sense of Chunmon Taihing South Station. Taihing stayed in the early 16 public housing in Chunmon. The slab design of 6 cross-shaped estate is very disinfective, while light rail is an important means of transportation. Through data research, site visit, and photographic recording, the artist's present is different cases, including the light rail and road conditions by using lighting, figures, and station data. Results the daily light rail rate of the Taiheng states and feature the true characteristic of the new town in terms of living and transportation. Hong Kong House of Stories. The Blue House. Is this the Blue House? The Blue House is a Grade 1 historic building in Hong Kong. Unit 272 of ground floor is a material arts club opened by the nephew of Ho Wang Fiong's disciple sharing, and now it becomes the Chinese medicine clinic of his descendant Lin Shenzhen. The work recreated the details laboriously, including the wooden staircase with marks for collecting manure, the patterned floor, and the tiny lock. Bamboo Theatre. Bamboo Theatre are temporary Chinese opera performance venues erected in village towns or football courts during festival and celebrations such as Yulan Festival. The architecture represents a unique folk costume and construction scale. The artist has painted cover 1,000 light bulbs and handmade the large flower board to highlight the lively atmosphere and traditional craftsmanship. Chongqing rose goose. Some Chongqing village in Chunwan is famous for its roast goose. The rotating stove makes delicious roast cheese, which are bright, crisp, and tender. For a tiny miniature roast goes to the hook without cracks in challenging, and the artist triumph by excellent craftsmanship. She also made chicken, roast meat, barbecue pork, fried crab, sweet and sour pork, composition cookies for the eyes.
Makakalaki lang. Ano yun?
China Cafe is the shooting location of many classic films in Hong Kong. The work is so squelch that the selling fans can turn, and you can see the tiny stroke on the coins at the cashier counter. Can you spot Bruce Lee? Ayan si Bruce Lee. The policeman Simon Yang Tat Wai in the move. PTU and Jackie Chung Hawk Yocho played the fly in as years go by here.
그냥 좋아. 4인승
Saikong Seafood Stall. The Saikong Seafood Stall is located near the pier with a wide range of large seafood in its different fish tanks. The artist used in resin clay to create lifelike groupers. Ayan, groupers, lobsters, abalone, scallop, blue crabs, octopus, babylon, shell, and shark. Can you identify them? Birthday banquet. The banquet includes delicious dishes such as roasted whole suckling pig, fried crab, close stuffed with minced shrimp, sharks, fins with shredded chicken, stew goose feet with mushrooms, and longevity buns for the elderly.